In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set custom paper sizes, columns, and checkboxes in Google Sheets. First, open your browser to the Google homepage. In the top right, click the grid icon, also known as the Google Apps Launcher. From the panel that opens, choose Sheets. If you prefer, you can also navigate directly to Google Sheets in your address bar. Once you're in, open an existing spreadsheet you want to work with, or start a new blank one if you're setting this up from scratch. Let's begin with paper size. This is controlled from the print settings, which act as a page setup for Google Sheets. Open the print preview either by going to File and selecting Print, or by using the keyboard shortcut Ctrl+P on Windows or CMD+P on a Mac. In the print preview panel, you'll see a set of options for how your sheet will appear on paper or PDF. Look for the paper size dropdown. Choose the size that matches your needs, such as letter, A4, or legal. While you're here, it's helpful to check orientation and margins, and adjust scale if your content needs to fit on fewer pages. You don't have to actually print. These settings are saved with the sheet once you close the preview. Next, let's adjust column sizes so your data is easy to read. Hover your cursor over the line between two column letters at the top of the sheet. When the cursor changes to a left-right arrow, click and drag to widen or narrow the column to the exact size you want. If you want sheets to auto-fit based on the longest entry in that column, double-click the boundary instead of dragging. The same approach works for row heights along the left side of the sheet. A quick tip: if you need to resize multiple columns evenly, select them first by clicking and dragging across the column letters, then resize any one of the selected columns. They'll adjust together. Finally, let's add checkboxes. First, highlight the cells where you want the checkboxes to appear. Then go to the Insert menu and choose Checkbox. Each selected cell will get an interactive box you can click to check or uncheck. You can fill them down or across like any other cell to apply them to larger ranges. Behind the scenes, a checked box evaluates to true and an unchecked box to false, which makes them great for formulas, filters, and conditional formatting. If you ever need to remove them, just clear the cells or change the cell format back to plain text or numbers. That's it. You've opened Sheets, set your paper size from print settings, adjusted your columns for clarity, and added checkboxes to make your sheet more interactive and useful.